Let me tell you how to make your own 2025 bingo card. What you need is a computer, your paper, and your pen. Here's a little backstory as to why I am making a bingo card and not a vision board. So, the girlies on TikTok are raving about making a bingo card and how it works best. So, I'm trying it out. Try it with me. First step is write down your goals. You're going to make 24 goals, and the 25th is going to be a free space, unless you're advanced like that and you want to make an extra goal. I am going to open this book and I'm going to write down all of my goals, labeling them 1 to 24. So, normally we have goals that are like really serious, really like adulting. And I didn't want that for my bingo card because I might eventually make a vision board with all the serious, bigger goals, big picture. I wanted my bingo card to be smaller picture, like the details. What are things that I would look back at 2025 and be like, I had a really great year? Like, what are the side quests that I want to do that's going to make my year fun and great? So you won't see me writing, I want to have a $10,000 monthly income on my bingo card. That's not happening. Regardless, I do want it, but that's not the goal. The goal is to put small ticket items that would make my experience of 2025 great. The theme is experience over things. So we're starting off strong with go to a concert, plan my thriving 30. So I am turning 30 in 2026, and I want to spend 2025 planning for that. If I have a location, idea, like an actual plan, um, then I get to cross that out. A new tattoo is something that I'm looking for. Going on a trip in the US, a domestic trip, posting 30 days, like 30 days straight for a month, that would make my goal. Like whether it's on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram, picking a platform and posting 30 days straight. Coming up with a 2K emergency fund, which is feasible. Going to a Broadway show because that is a passion of mine and I love going to see Broadway. Having a fully fund one sinking fund. It doesn't have to be all of them, just one, even if the goal is I want to have 200 in this account, in this sinking fund. Did I reach that goal? That is amazing. Then I have my two dance classes I want to go to, which I am actually might be doing one of them tomorrow. I might be going to a dance workout class. Then it is $100, 100 sales, not dollars, 100 sales from one or more, all of my businesses. So if my two businesses make 100 sales in total, then I cost that out. Um, Getting an oil change. I need to get an oil change, and I constantly like disregard it. So that's on my bingo card. If I get it, I get to cross it out. So these are things that like you're probably like, oh, they're so easy. They're like simple. But that's the thing. I want to experience life. And if these small things make bigger changes in my life, then why not add it? Like 12 dates with my husband, reading a sci-fi book, 6 friends dates. Who knows? If I reach those 6 dates and I have more, like these are building habits. So once you have everything written down, you are now ready for your second step. Remember, this is the time when you're writing your goals down to really dig deep into smaller picture things that will enrich your life. Step 2, create your digital bingo. So I'm using Canva, and that is how I am creating my bingo card. So this is how it looks. I have the template is like a table, five across, five down, and then in the middle is my free slot. It just says turn 29. So technically my free. And then I wanted to have a mixture of pictures and words. Some people are just writing out their bingo card with just words, and that's perfectly fine. I wanted to have something to visually look and visually manifest. Um, on my bingo card. So have it a mixture of a vision board and a bingo card. And I am elated, ecstatic, elated of how it came out. It is beautiful. And I have the top part is like a vision part section. And then we have my goals. Just let's bask in it for a minute. I'm just going to be quiet and you're just going to look. Yeah. Yes. Definitely write down in the comments what are some of the goals that you may have. Like, what is your top three goals that you will definitely be putting on that bingo card? And I can't wait to hear and see all the bingo cards. And let's get into how it looks printed. It looks amazing. So amazing that I did another bingo card. And this is my hobbies bingo card. Wait for it, wait for it. Bam! 2025 hobbies. The thing with my bingo cards is I am also attaching rewards to the bingo cards. We can get into that in a different video on how I am rewarding myself when I reach these goals, when I make these accomplishments, and I'm thrilled. I truly hope each and every one of you have an amazing 2025, that each and every one of you guys reach your goals, and we are in this. We got this.